Hi everyone. So we have some good news to share with you. Our candidate Shaurya Sadana has got admission in a public university in Germany. He is with us today. So let us just have a word with him. First of all, hi Shaurya, congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So let's start the interaction so that even others get to know how easy it is to get into Germany. So first question is, why Germany?
Actually, I had many other countries in my option before coming to KLH. When I came here, I got consulted by the expert team of KLH. So after that, I decided to pursue my master's in Germany. Since Germany is very pocket friendly for me because there is no tuition fees in public universities, and also I think that the quality of education here is much better, or I would say it is the best in current world scenario.
Okay. So, as we know, if you are planning to go to Germany, you need to have a good hold on the German language. So, is learning German difficult?
No, I think that learning German is very easy. We just need to practice, and we just need to solve. Just need to solve the assignments on regular basis. And more or less, I think the mantra given to me by Vikas sir from KLH was that to learn just 20 new words every day, and you will master the language.
Okay. So, apart from German language, in case anyone is targeting for a public university, so what all other things are required, or I should say, like what all documents or certifications are required to be eligible to enroll for such universities?
Okay, to start with, it's a process which might take an year or more than that. So at first, I think we need to give IELTS examination, and a minimum score of like 6.5 band is acceptable. After that, we need to file for APS certificate, which is mandatory now for Indians to travel to Germany for education. So the timeline for APS is for about a month. So in a month, I received my APS. Then I applied in UniAssist, which provides me the control to all over the universities to apply. So yeah, I think that also takes around 1 or 2 months. After that, the acceptance letter came to me, and then they were.
So
Then
basically, the gist of this, what you're trying to explain is like people have this misconception in mind that like getting admissions in Germany is quite challenging. Rejections are more. So according to you or what experience you had till now, I mean the things are pretty easy.
I
If
think
done in a systematic manner.
if we have good documents, I mean they are not fake until they are not fake.
Agreed.
Then that's not even an issue to travel to Germany.
Okay.
Then it's a very hassle-free process in my thinking.
Okay, so post your completion of your masters, like what are the job opportunities or what is the future?
So for future, Germany offers an 18-month post master's visa to just search for jobs, and I think that is an adequate time for everyone to search a job. My personal thinking is that I'll work for 2-3 years there and try to get my PR also.
Okay, and all the best for that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the last question. So, what's your feedback on KLH?
KLH was an awesome journey here for me.
Thank you.
Not just the staff, but also the environment here. The teaching environment was very good. For Huron listening and all, we had proper infrastructure here. So and regular tests and all conducted here proved to be like the best for me. So that is the reason I cleared my B1 in one go.
Very good. Okay. So post that, like now the next question, though I said it would be my last question, but this just popped up in my mind. Like another like quite difficult thing for everybody is like accommodation. Like how you're going to start your new journey to a new place, to a new country. So how the things would be over there. Once you get the admissions, post that, other things are needed to be taken care of. So what about that?
I think there's a proper timeline for everything, and if you are going through that timeline that you are doing everything before the deadline, then it's not a big deal to crack anything, whether it is accommodation or whether it is staying or anything. And I think eventually, for few months, it's quite difficult for everyone to leave their own nation and their comfort zone. But I think gradually it all settles down. That's good.
So did you hire any consultant for all these stuff? I mean, for the filing the APS, visas, and other things, how the things were taken care of?
Actually, my most of my filings were done by KLH team, and they assisted me throughout my process, whether it was filing for APS or UniAssist, and till my visa process as well. So that was a great help for me.
And in fact, I just want to remind everybody that a special mention that his APS, he got his APS in the first attempt. People do get rejections in terms of APS and visas, but for Shaurya, the way my team did everything, it was a seamless process, so things were taken care of. In fact, after that, for his accommodation and other things, my team is currently connected with him. We are trying to give our level best help which we can provide to him, so that once he lands over there, he doesn't face any difficulty or any problem over there. So that's it. So Shaurya, thank you and all the very
Thank you
best
so much,
for
ma'am.
your future thing. We hope to see you in Germany with
Yes,
a very
ma'am.
bright and successful career.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.